Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Math. Today we are looking at an interesting problem from percentage, which is a key segment of all highly competitive examinations like GRE, GMAT, SAT, Olympiad and the like. The question is this. In a school, 60% of the students are boys. If 80% of the students failed in the math exam, at least what percent of the boys failed in the exam? There are four options given to you. Let me break down the solution step by step. In step 1, take the total number of students as 100. You can choose any number here instead of 100 or even a variable, but to ease the calculation, 100 would be a better choice in all percentage problems. Now, what does the question say? 60% of them are boys. So let me break it up. 60 boys. So the remaining will be girls. This is on the assumption of course, there being only two genders. In step 2, we will write the total number of students who failed in the exam, which is given to be 80% of the total number of students, which is actually what? 80 by 100 into 100. That equals 80. Now in step 3, we will break up these 80 students, which are the number of students failed or number of failures, into boys and girls in such a way that the number of boys will get minimized. So what do? To minimize the number of boys, obviously you will maximize the number of girls who failed. But we know that the maximum number of girls, as per the choice we made, is 40 girls. So you will write here 40 girls because you can't go beyond that. There are only 40 girls as per the initial assumption of total number of students being 100. In that case, 40 will be the number of boys who failed. And this is the minimum number of boys because 40 girls is the maximum number of girls. So the number of boys at least is 40 out of 80 total failures. Now in step 4, you need to convert this 40 boys who failed as what percentage of the total number of boys? That is a question. At least what percent of the boys failed in the exam? That means this 40 boys who failed, how many boys are there totally? 60. So this 40 boys out of 60 failed. So to convert that 40 boys into percentage, 40 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. This on simplification. (66) 2 by 3%. So the second option is the correct option. And that is the final answer. So this is the minimum percentage of boys who failed. Now let me ask you one more question. What would you do if you want to maximize the number of boys who failed in the examination? There you will minimize the number of girls. We have 80 as the total number of failures. And to maximize the number of boys who failed, there are only 60 boys as per the assumption we made initially. So 80 will be split up into 60 boys and 20 girls. Okay. Now to convert, what do to convert the number of failures among boys into percentage? The number of boys who failed is 60 and the total number of boys is 60. So 60 out of 60, that will be 100%. This is not there in the question. I just showed you how to maximize the number of boys who failed in the exam. If there is any point you are not so clear about, please raise it in the comment section. And also, if you want me to solve any problem which you are unable to do it yourself, you may raise it in the comment section from any areas of mathematics. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.